beautiful mushroom. Ooh, there's a big bird.
That's a heron. I always see that heron here.
So we're heading to American breakfast restaurant. What the name? Let me.
What?
That.
The restaurant?
Yeah.
Hot Cakes Emporium Pancake House.
Okay. I want to order everything. Pancake, egg Benedict, and
You have to order the French toast. French toast so good.
yeah, French stuff. I want to order everything. Thank you, baby.
Sausage, egg, and cheese croissant.
So good. I like it.
It's French toast. I like French toast better than pancakes. So good.
Be my first time experience 4th of July in the US. So I'm so excited. What is this?
This is ice cream.
Banana ice cream. What you got? Strawberry.
Blueberry, strawberry, banana, pancake with cream.
I came here like a 6. Oh, right? Oh no. Can you help me?
What's up?
Yeah, you can.
Yo, shout me out.
What is your name?
Thank you.
What's your name?
Cam.
Okay, hi.
Thank you.
Yeah. Say hi. Hi. And smile so I can take a picture. Everybody clapping. Oh, finish. Oh, that's cool. I love it.
Now it's gonna be crazy getting out of here.
Yeah.
Everybody leaving at the same time.
Another sign. It's so fast. Oh.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.